Welcome back to Matrix with TJ. In this video, we will discuss Grade 9, Chapter 1, Orienting Yourself, the use of coordinates, focusing on assertion reasoning questions. Let's move to the questions. First one, assertion A is the ordinate of point -6, 4 is 4. So you know that in the ordered pair, x comma y, the first coordinate is called abscissa and the second point y coordinate is called the ordinate. So here ordinate is 4, that is correct, true. And next, the perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis is called its ordinate. So we can draw ordered x and y axis, coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis, -6, 4. So x-axis -6 and y is 4. So the point will be here, -6, 4. So here you know that the perpendicular distance from y-axis is 4 and the distance from y-axis is 6. You know that. So perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis is called the ordinate. That's also correct. Here the answer is assertion and reason is true and reason is the correct explanation, is the correct explanation of assertion. Explanation of assertion, because that is the correct explanation, because perpendicular distance from x-axis is called its ordinate. Next question. If A not equal to B, then AB, ordered pair AB not equal to ordered pair B. We can take some examples. Let A equal to 2 and B equals 3. Then you know that ordered pair AB equal to ordered pair 2, 3. And ordered pair BA means it is 3, 2. And you know that these two not equal. AB not equal to BA. So that's true. And next, -1, -2 lies in quadrant 3. So you can see that the first quadrant, this is the first, the second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all positive, and in second quadrant, abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. Here negative, negative, and this will be negative, positive. Okay, so this in third quadrant is also correct. And reason is not correct explanation of assertion, because these two has no relations. -1, -2 lies in quadrant 3, and this is not the valid explanation for assertion. So that we can finalize our answer that this assertion is true. Assertion is true. Reason also true. Reason is true. Assertion true, reason true, but R is, that means reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. That is the next question is the coordinates of the point midpoint P of the join of the points A, x1, y1. So the point A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2. Okay, A, x1, y1, A, x1, comma, y1 and B, x2, comma, y2. And P is the midpoint. So the coordinate of the midpoint is obviously, we know that x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 is the ordinate. This is abscissa of P and this is ordinate of P, y1 plus y2 by 2. So that is true. Okay, statement is true. The reason is the midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Yes, either 2:2, then also the simplification is 1:1 only, right? 1:1, 2:2, 3:3, all it when we simplify, so the ratio will be 1:1. So that is also correct. So that we can write assertion and the reason is true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, that's all. You have any doubt, comment below. Thank you.